This is the Olerqzer wood carving tools for beginners. I actually bought this just because I wanted a starter kit, and I like that it comes in just a simple bag that I can use. So it comes with the knife cutting gloves, which I highly recommend. I have nicked myself and gotten splinters without these, and that's one of the reasons that I decided to purchase them. It just kind of makes a big difference when you have them on. They have the closure around here. They fit a variety of different sizes. I have smaller hands, and there's still quite a bit of room on the top, but it's just enough to be able to grip the tools and use them. And then we have our knives. This is the hook knife, so you can just write stuff. This one is the Sloyd knife. I think I said that right. And this is the detail knife. It's definitely very fine. They all come with little tips on them, so you can protect yourself while they're actually in the bag. And then you have a couple of like sponges that have like you can see I've tried to use them, just kind of sandpaper like sponges. And then you have the leather strop and the polishing compound. So you put the compound on here, and then you can like sharpen the knives. I've yet to do that. I haven't had the need, but it is there for you. And then it comes with a small little block if you want to test on it. I, however, have set that aside because I'm actually using a larger block. But it really is a complete beginner set, so if you're just starting out, it's definitely something you'd want to grab.